Hi folks, Chris Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com. Hey, coming with another cool product. This is the FIXD automotive unit. You can go to FIXD.com, and this is a device that plugs in the diagnosis port of your car, usually right underneath your steering wheel, varies per car, but you plug it in and it works with an app on your phone. Basically helps drivers better understand and maintain their vehicles. It translates what your car is trying to tell you in simple, understandable terms. There's no vague lights, no confusing technical definitions, just the information you need. So you plug it in and boot up the app, and it pairs up, and the sensor basically tells you what's going on with check engine lights, when you're approaching your next maintenance interval. It'll help you better understand how to take care of your car. It even has some different add-ons where you can learn more about fixed roadside assistant that you can do on their website. Really easy to use, simple descriptions, 6,800 possible causes of the check engine light that you can detect with the FIXD unit, and it will translate it for you. It's safe and it's secure, so it uses industry safe protocol and handy reminders of when your vehicle needs some maintenance. You can put multiple users on the account as well, and you can do multi-vehicle control if you're a fleet manager, and you can also know what's going on with that engine light when it pops on. Anyway, be sure to check it out. I thought the product was really cool, and it's inexpensively priced, so I think it's a good deal. Go to fixedapp.com.
Oh my gosh, look what's in this box. I'd love to show you, but first you've got to subscribe, like the channel, and get notifications for your mobile thing. And then you can see what's inside boxes like these as we unbox the latest technology for you. Be sure to check it out. Oh, wow, that's pretty. See you next time. Or click any of these videos. Either way. Got to find out what's in the box.